Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change volume on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to volume up or down, we have the volume buttons on the right side of the device. At the bottom of these two, of this long button actually, so the below one, if you press it at the bottom, you will volume down, and if you press up, then you will volume up, of course. You can keep pressing, or you can press and hold in order to quickly change the volume. On the right side over here, you will see this bar where you can also manage the volume. You can also use your finger in order to adjust the volume manually, and this is of course the volume for the media. You can also tap on these three dots over here at the top in order to open this panel where you have three sliders now. The first one is for media, the other one is for the ringtone, and the third is for alarms. Now in addition to that, you can go to settings. In the settings, you can go to sound and vibration, and then here you can adjust the volume for media, ringtone, and alarm. So just like before, but this time you have this whole panel, and once again you can use your finger in order to move the slider to the left and to the right to adjust the volume. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.